We're like Back to the Future. Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Recording.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm riding with Harry, trying to keep up with him. He's up there in front waving there. He's like a speed demon, but I told him, I said, if I'm behind y'all, it may be better because he's worried about me being faster. And I said, well, that's why I'm better off behind you. I won't run off and leave you. I just burned my brake pads off trying to keep him running over you. He's leading me somewhere. I don't think I've been on this road. I don't know why, but I don't remember it.
Yeah, I think you have. Right down there's White Highway to the left.
Oh, I know where we're at now. Yeah,
this
I
is
do.
Hungry Holler.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I'm getting hungry.
Yeah. Well, there's a nice little brewery up here.
A brewery?
Yeah.
You mean used to be?
No.
Oh.
Now. Hungry Holler Brewery.
I'll be darned.
Guy makes some pretty good beer.
Well, they ought to call it Thirsty Hollow Brewery.
If you stop here, you're not thirsty.
Oh. You just get hungry.
That's right.
Hopefully he has some food.
Here it is right here.
I went there one time.
Yeah.
I bought some doors off that building right up there.
Oh, yeah?
There was a couple. Actually, that looks like the doors he's got in there.
Maybe.
Yeah, I'll be darned. I didn't know that was there. It wasn't near as good a building back then.
Yeah, he's added to it.
So Harry, as you know, if you watch my channel, he's on the 2020 CRF250L, and then I'm on the 21 300L. I actually thought about riding the 250L today. And it's kind of one of those deals where, boy, I hate to rack up miles on a new bike. I need to be riding the 250, but I need to put some miles on this thing to get it broke in. And I'm at 365 miles, and Harry's at how many?
1883.
My gosh, I'm gonna catch you.
I wish I had my new tires back.
Oh yeah.
they're wearing down pretty fast.
Yeah, it's like after you get 1,000 miles on, boy, they really start dropping.
Yeah, the rear tire especially.
Yep. That don't seem like my IRC on the 250L, the second set, lasted very long at all.
Yeah.
And it's not like I'm aggressive riding. I'm not talking about that video here a while back where I crashed, but normally I don't ride like that.
You was thrashing it pretty hard that day.
Yeah.
I thought you were.
Yeah, I wasn't letting no grass grow under the tires. I don't know, they just didn't seem to last too long. Have you seen the Tusk DualSport tires?
No.
You look at them, they look like a good set, and for the price, like $50 a piece, 50 or 60 in that range.
How about the 606s or 660s? What are they?
Dunlop D606?
Yeah.
Now, they're really good. Now, they won't probably last as long because they're more aggressive.
Yeah.
Any one time you get one that's bigger knobs and further apart gapped, well, they're not going to last as long.
Well, the way I ride, I need something more for pavement like this than I do for dirt. I mean, I ride a little bit on dirt, but very little. Most of mine is back roads.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking that Tusk DualSport. I mean, it's like these, more kind of like these, only the tread looks a lot deeper. So it ought to last longer, being a tire like this with taller tread. And everybody, I've not heard of one bad thing yet. So maybe if somebody has the Tusk tires, they'll get on here and comment and tell us if they like them or not. But everybody so far has said they really like them.
Well, by the end of summer, I'm going to be looking for a new back tire. My front tire's holding up pretty good. Blinker fluid, you didn't tell me.
I was sitting there going to point to everybody, tell everybody on the video without you noticing. Just go to pointing so everybody would see that. and just see how long you might leave that. That would be funny on the video.
I went all day for it.
Harry buys that blinker fluid by the gallon.
I don't know how bad this road is. We can try this.
Let's do it.
It's pavement for a ways, then it stops and drops off. I haven't been down there in quite a while.
It's kind of like when them kids move out, You love them when they're home, but you know, when they move out, the empty nest is kind of nice.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you don't want to be rude to either, but I told mine jokingly, you know, I told him, I said, I'm glad you was here and everything, but don't come back. Don't come back.
My two live close enough that they visit just often enough to be comfortable.
Right.
Of course, I love my grandkids. I got 4 boys and a girl.
Yep, just mine is 1 girl and 2 boys. Darn, you shut that off. I was actually pointing to do this to the viewers on the video.
Well, I'll be the comedy guy for you.
I was hoping that you wouldn't see me. You didn't see me, did you?
No.
Oh,
I just happened to glance down.
I need to put
here.
some black tape over that. Who? Oh yeah, it does.
Actually, I don't remember how rough this is.
We're on DualSport. We don't care how rough it is. Ain't no such thing as too rough. We're like Back to the Future. Where we're going, we don't need roads.
They help.
We make our own. I done a lot of that. I'm telling you, back in the day, before four-wheelers, it was before they had four-wheelers, and the three-wheelers was kind of just coming out. The National Forest was open. I mean, man, we rode everywhere on the dirt bikes, and then when the three-wheelers come out, we made trails. I mean, there wasn't nothing hardly. A few single tracks because of dirt bikes, and you could just go anywhere then. You didn't have to stay on trail, just go where you want.
That was before my time of owning motorized vehicles.
Yeah. Well, that's back in then, you probably had a horse and buggy or something.
Yeah, I think so. Ox carts.
Ox carts. Oh, that's nice down in here.
Yeah. Cool, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I don't know if I've been through here. It's crazy in all this area, you know. I've been everywhere, I think. And then me and Sherry be out on this or in the Jeep and be like, well, we've never been on this road before.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about this part of the country. There's lots of these roads.
That's the cool part about owning the DualSport, is just going out and exploring and finding new things that you can't really do on a street bike.
Well, you'd have to be a lot better rider than me if you did.
You can do it on a street bike, but it ain't much fun when you get on the gravel. Some people live down these roads and they ride their street bikes in and out of them.
Some people take nice cars down these roads.
Well, yeah.
I think there's only two houses on this whole road from end to end.
Huh. So do you own both sides?
No.
Oh, I thought you owned all this.
No.
You wish.
I couldn't pay the taxes.
You just had to pay taxes, yeah. This is probably one of those roads that I see, and I think that's probably somebody's driveway.
Yep. That's kind of what it looks like, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, guys, he didn't turn on his blinker that time, so I can't make fun of him.
Do you know if the bridge is open down here now? You know, they closed this bridge last week. It washed out. I hope they got it fixed.
Oh, my God. Heck, we're on DualSports. We don't worry about that. Have you ever watched the General Lee when he jumps that creek?
I have. I want to see you do it.
Okay.
I'll follow suit.
I'll follow. You're in front. The best thing to do is don't slow down now. Just go ahead and get it. Watch that bridge. Just stay straight. Zip.
Oh, they got her closed.
Are you serious?
I think I'm going to go across.
We're going across that, dude.
Yeah.
It says closed on that side, not this side.
If it falls through with this big old bike.
Oh, there ain't no reason for it to be closed. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it.
Hi, guys. Well, it washed the underpinnings out on that last big rain we had.
Oh, but dang, so they got it fixed.
Yeah, it was shut down all last year.
I've caught some goggle eye out there before.
Yeah, I have too. I don't think there's too many smalls in there, but there's some good goggle eye.
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh, I'll be darned, they did redo this. Wow.
It had some chat on it. It was a little slick there for a while.
I'm surprised they spent the money.
Yeah.
Sure enough, I ain't seen this.
Yeah. I was riding down there last summer and come back around from Butterfield, got down here and they turn around and go back.
I guess it's been a while since I've been through here.
Right down here's the old motorcycle climb, isn't it?
Oh yeah, hill climbs you called it. Yep.
Yep.
I don't think anybody can climb it anymore.
I don't think so either.
It's pretty washed out. This is kind of where you used to come to park. That's where Harry always was anyway.
Don't tell all the secrets.
Yeah.
What's them holes?
Big hole. Boy, you could bust a wheel in some of them.
I'll tell you what, it's really went to pot since the last time I was here.
Went to potholes.
Yeah.